Hi and welcome to today's class. The topic is food. Listen and repeat the vocabulary. Apples, bananas, bread, carrots, cheese, chocolates, coffee, tea, eggs, fish, potatoes, lemonade, lettuce, pineapples, coconuts, pork, beans, lamb, beef, chicken, ice cream, milk, nuts, pizza, water, oranges, pears, peaches, soda, sausages, butter, yogurt, lemons, oatmeal, cornflakes, toast, rice, bell peppers, sweet corn, cucumber, onions, tuna, jam, apples. The plural form of nouns. The majority of nouns are made plural by adding s or es. 1 carrot becomes 2 carrots. 1 chocolate becomes 2 chocolates. For nouns ending in ch and sh, add es to form the plural. So 1 peach becomes 2 peaches, and 1 radish becomes 2 radishes. Repeat each question, then answer yes I do or no I don't. Do you like carrots? No, I don't. Do you like chocolates? Do you like pears? Do you like fish? Do you like oranges? Do you like radishes? Do you like nuts? Do you like apples? Do you like eggs? Here's a reminder. The present continuous expresses the idea of an action that is in progress at the same time we're speaking. We need to use the verb be and the verb in ing. He, she, or it is drinking. Listen and repeat the actions. Do you like buying, doing, drinking, eating, reading, talking? What's he eating? Answer the question using each of the images. He's eating an apple. What's she buying? She's buying peaches. Listen and repeat. What's she drinking? She's drinking coffee. What's she drinking? She's drinking lemonade. What's he eating? He's eating bread. What's she eating? She's eating cheese. Listen and repeat the expressions. Anything else? Can I help you? Here you are. How much is that? Is that all? Please. Thanks. Listen and repeat. Hello, Peter. Hello, Lily. This is my friend Eva. Hello, Eva. Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can I help you? 2 chocolate bars, please. Here you are. Anything else? 4 eggs, please. Is that all? Yes, thanks. How much is that? That's £15. Answer the questions. What is she doing? What is she drinking? What is she doing? What is she eating? What is she doing? What is she buying? Is she sitting? Is her hair long or short? That brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.